Oh no, everybody. Having everybody. Having everybody. Whoops. I have to read chapter 8. Dude, I think last time I did the assignment without even reading the chapter. When did I read the chapter? When did I do that? I don't know when. When did I read chapter 7? Did I read chapter 7 before doing the assignment? I think I did. Of course it's 30 pages long. I think you get unlimited attempts for this assignment. Because I did it for chapter 4. Chapter 7. I don't really remember what it exactly is. Oh, I think I know what it is. Valuation of inventories. Hold up. Haven't I done something like this before? Is this kind of like management accounting? Do I have to read all this stuff about LIFO? And FIFO. It's not even in the first learning objective. It's not even in there. I'm just going to look at this. Classifications of classifications. I feel like a lot of this is going to be management accounting. Again. I sniffed it twice. I sniffed again. Merchandising. Why are they called concerns? What the heck? Why would you call it a concern? You would purchase merchandise in the form ready for sale. Merchandise inventory. Manufacturing, produce goods. Boeing, IBM, Exxon, Mobil. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I said, okay, watch this. Boeing, IBM, Exxon Mobil, IBM, Exxon Mobil, IBM, Exxon Mobil. How? When I said that the first time, it thought I was saying something else. It thought I was saying like Bixby or what? Was it Hey Bixby? Yes, that's what it was.
I didn't understand that.
It said it thought I was saying Hey Bixby when I was saying. What did I say? Which part of that was okay? Boeing, Exxon Mobil. No. Boeing, IBM, Exxon Mobil. I don't know how it got that the first time. Anyways, Procter and Gamble, Ford, and Roll. We have 3 inventory accounts: raw materials, work in process, and finished goods. Company reports the cost assigned to goods and materials on hand, but not yet pasted to product as raw materials inventory. Yeah, we were doing all kinds of stuff related to this in management accounting. We were doing that in management accounting. Finished goods inventory. Inventories, finished goods, work in process, and raw materials. Supplies. Yeah, whatever. Oops. Like, I wasn't that big of a fan of I wasn't that big of a fan of management accounting. I preferred financial accounting. Dang it. When do I have to start working on that assignment? Because it's due at 10 p.m. Why do they have to make it due at 10 p.m. anyways? Can you please change it to 11? Not 11. We have an exam on the 3rd. Oh, gosh. We're not even taking an exam over Chapter 1 and 2? Okay. Well, that's kind of nice, at least. Wait, why are we taking an exam over Chapter 4 and 7, but not Chapter 8? We're starting on Chapter 8? Dude, why on earth are we starting work on Chapter 8, but we're not taking... The exam is only going to cover Chapter 4 and 7. That's weird. Huh. Chapter 8 and 9 exam. Well, at least each exam only covers 2 chapters. That's kind of nice. Is it going to be in class? Well, you would think it'd be in class. Yeah, it's in class. Are we going to do it on a computer? Yes, because it's on here. Dude, I thought we weren't actually required to bring our computer into class. Doesn't affect me because I always bring my computer. I never had to bring my computer in when I went to an ICC. Well, I did anyways, though, when I was waiting for class. When I would go to a private room to quote-unquote study. Beginning inventory plus the cost of goods purchased or manufactured. Is the cost of goods available for sale? I don't care. Well, I have to care because I have to do an assignment, and also I have to take a test, and I have to do class assignments, and blah 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 blah. And I have to eventually know the stuff for stuff. Is my microphone working? Microphone is microphone. 2 types of systems for maintaining accurate. There's perpetual and periodically. Good job, everybody. We're gonna. Rating is debited to inventory. What the crap is Freyden? My brain is not comprehending this information. Why have I gotten worse at reading? I mean, yes, I didn't go to school for a whole year, but then I did go to school for 3 months. Well, it wasn't quite 3 months. It was more like 2.5. Maybe 2.5. Not even. It was more like 2 months and a week. Because it was like 9 weeks. And then the last week of school, I didn't do anything because it was weird. What on earth is Freyden? Periodically periodic. It records all acquisitions of inventory during the accounting period. Purchases. This is not fun. This is not fun. Beginning inventory. 100 units at $6. Purchase 900 units at $6. Inventory accounts payable. Purchases accounts payable. Sale of 600 units. Accounts receivable, sales revenue. But they also do Cost of goods sold. Inventory. Cost of goods sold. Inventory, they don't make an entry when they sell anything. When they sell something, they don't make an entry. Then end of period entry. We don't make any entries because we've already made the entries for it. But periodic, we do make an entry. Inventory, ending inventory, cost of goods sold. Purchases. You just close the purchases account by doing inventory and cost of goods sold. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be. I feel like what everyone else around me. It's not bragging. Because I'm basically saying I feel like a normal student who doesn't really get myself very easily. When that's not how I used to be. That was fun. Everything used to be easy. It's like my brain rotted over a period of a year. It literally just rotted away. Okay, it didn't literally rot away. Dang it. You sniff. Okay, when it becomes 9 o'clock, I'm just going to have to stop reading the chapter and just go and do the assignment because I can't risk turning it in late. Maybe I should just skim over the chapter and not really worry about it that much. You sniffed. Can I just read a PowerPoint? No. Our professor doesn't do lectures at all. All he do in class is do problems. That is not how my other professor did stuff for my other accounting classes. Although I do prefer this because sitting there listening to a boring lecture is boring. Whereas doing problems, at least I'm busy doing something. I don't feel bored. Speaking of which, I have to go to a class tomorrow, and we will. I don't know. I think we're going to be doing chapter 8 if we stick to our schedule. According to our schedule, we're doing chapter 8, right? Why would he have us do a chapter 8 assignment and then not do chapter 8? Wow! Tomorrow. Chapter 7 assessment is due Thursday. Yay, I have 2 things due on Thursday. Yay! Also, when's my next federal income tax thing due? I forgot. I kind of stopped paying attention to it because it was like, oh, it's too far in the future. But actually, we need to look at this. Something is due on Thursday. Why do I have 3 different things due on Thursday? Come on, man. Dude, I literally have 3 different things due on Thursday. Do you have to do that, classes? I'm probably going to actually end up doing this tomorrow, like while I'm waiting in between classes, because what I usually always do while I'm waiting in between classes is study federal income tax, because that's my next class in the day. That's fine. A 4 out of 10 on the quiz. That's not a real grade. When is he ever going to adjust that grade. When is he ever going to fix it? Never? It should be 7 out of 10. Oh my gosh, so much better. So incredibly good. 7 out of 10. Perpetual. What the? Inventory over and short? What on earth is that? What on earth? So what do you do? What on earth is over and short? Oh, it's literally like, this is the entry I'm going to make to account for the fact that we messed up or something. So, shrinkage, breakage. What is shrinkage? Breakage, shoplifting, incorrect record keeping. So it adjusts cost of goods sold. Check page number. Page number is right there. Not even close to the end of the chapter. Not even close. Not even remotely close. Oh! How about you determine cost of goods sold? Beginning inventory, January 1st. Cost of goods acquired or produced during the year. Total cost of goods available for sale. Ending inventory. Cost of goods sold during the year. Hilarious. What are the goods and costs included in inventory? I don't know, I'm not even reading stuff. Oh, Oh my gosh. You sniffed. Ow. Good job. Hate everything. Whoa, that was funny. I have fully charged my phone. That was funny. Sales with repurchase agreement. I just everything I have to do any assignment. Due at 10 o'clock. Oh. What? Submit that one assignment. This class has been so weird because we have class once a week and we do assignments in class. And also I didn't do, last Tuesday I didn't finish the assignment in class and I still haven't finished the assignment because I don't feel like it. So, that's funny. It's gonna be done. What was a... Ooh. Great. And this time I did do the assignment in class, and I finished it. Because it wasn't that hard. It was not decent. Yeah, it wasn't that hard. Also, why on earth are we working on an assignment that's due in over a month? He's having us work on this project that's due in over a month. The heck? Seriously? Okay. And also, the assignment I did in class, I'm just double checking to make sure I actually did it. Because, yeah, so... Oh my gosh. Like, why would I even double check that? I obviously did it. Sometimes. A company finances its inventory without reporting either liability or... I don't know what this is. Hill Enterprises transfers inventory to Chase. Simultaneously agrees to repurchase this merchandise at a specified price over a specified period of time. So you sell it to somebody else and then you're gonna repurchase it later. Why? Well, wait, but when they sell the inventory to Chase, do they just still keep it? They keep the inventory. What on earth is this thing? Sales with high rates of return. Sell textbooks to bookstores. You know what's hilarious? This is the exact same type of problem that we did in the last chapter. I had no idea how to handle it. Good job! Okay. When are we gonna get to? You know, I really don't like this accounting textbook. I liked my original accounting. I liked my financial accounting textbook. That was my favorite accounting textbook. It actually explained everything and gave detailed examples on how to do everything. We are technically only a third of the way through this chapter. What happens if I turn the assignment in late anyways? Does it say it's available for a certain period of time, or does it say that it gets closed after a certain time? No, it says it's only available until the due date. And then it closes, so we have to do it before then. Freight charges. Like what? Literally the cost of the labor to produce the goods. What the heck? We did all that stuff in management accounting. We did all that stuff. Period cost. Oh man. Wage. Indirectly related to the acquisition. Thanks, brain.
Chapter 8 Valuation of Inventories, a Cost Basis Approach. Learning of the end. At higher. The current assets, in millions. Cash and cash equivalents. 6,800.
Can I just like start? Ha ha! I can do that. Where was it? Where was I at?
And $67. Chapter 8 Valuation of Inventories, a Cost
Are you
Basis
serious?
Approach.
What? Wait. Oh, I think I know what the problem is. What I have to do is highlight this and then start listening. That's what I did. That's what I did. I highlighted this.
Copyright Anders Photos / Shutterstock. Chapter 8
Are you
Valuation.
This is terrible.
End. At higher.
This is so stupid.
Cost of goods sold.
Alright.
Off goods as yet global view. The use of another approach is to record the use of treatment of purchase discounts. The use of a purchase discounts account in a periodic inventory system indicates that the company is reporting its purchases and accounts payable at the gross amount. If a company uses this,
That was a waste of time. Ha ha ha! Oh. Wow, fun. Wow, fun. Wow, fun. Wow, fun. Ah, that's great. Stop. Gross method. Net method. Gross method, you do not assume that you get the discount right away. It just basically means... oh. Wow, oh. Purchase. You have purchased things. You paid the invoice. Yeah, but net method, what if you don't pay the discount? Oh. Okay, so then you say you've lost the discount. Okay, fine. There. I think the net method is not as easy as the gross method. Dude, it's not like the net method looks that much more complicated. It looks pretty simple. It looks exactly like the exact same amount of work is being done. I don't know. Less logical, but simpler gross method. Because gross method is like, we're just not assuming that we get the discount. Or something like that. Yeah, but net method assumes you get the discount. What if you don't get it? I hate mice. It says the homework problems will use the gross method. Well then, why the heck did we? Okay, well. You have purchased some stuff, then you... Like, we already did the same exact thing, except with the other way around, with selling stuff at a discount instead of buying it at a discount. We did the exact same thing, except I stopped. Oh. We are now on learning objective number 3. I have been doing this for 45 minutes. And I've only gotten through 12 pages. Stop! Which cost flow assumption to a I know about cost flows. I mean assumptions. Oh, don't you just love doing this? This is so fun. Specific identification. But it's too hard to do or something. I'm not going to look through this because I've already done this before. I'm just going to skip over stuff I've done before. Specific identification method. But it's too much. Oh wait. You can manipulate net income. How? Moving average. First in, first out. Oh. FIFO. Stop. FIFO. Like all these stuff. Dude, I even did this I did this in all three of my previous accounting courses. That was fun. So thankfully I can kind of skim over it. Oh, great job. Oh my gosh. Tax. Because they love to cheat. That was funny. They just love cheating. Hilarious, buddy. Hilarious, buddy. Hilarious. I don't feel like looking at this problem. Dude, I'm like barely even comprehending any of this information. And yeah, I'm still gonna might not have time to finish. Enrico. He's new. Everybody. Oh man, I don't have time to try to think through all that. There's so many computations. You know what's hilarious? I bet most of the stuff in real life is just done on the computer. You don't actually have to do any of it. That's funny. You just type in the information into a program and then it automatically does everything for you. You should have said we presented. Stupid text. You presented that in the past several pages. Hold on. I'm not even done with the chapter. I've barely read any of this stuff, and I'm still not done. Please don't have too many math problems. I thought you loved math problems. Don't you just love math problems? Dude, what if I don't finish this on time? Dude, I might not finish this on time. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Well, usually, I mean, the first couple of these didn't take very long. Didn't it? I remember. I don't remember how long chapter 4 and chapter 7 took. But I only have 1 hour to do this. So fun. The Corton Company's accountant is preparing the income statement for 2020 and the balance sheet. It was just the periodic. Oh, it should be easy. I suck. I suck. Like, this is a very simple question, but I can't get it because I'm stupid. It won't appear in the balance sheet because I was like, it's not gonna appear on the balance sheet, so that was the only option that was available. That was the logic. That's fine. Can I review this later? I'm not gonna bother. I'm just gonna move on. I don't know if I even have time to finish this whole assignment. Maybe I do, but well, it depends on how many math questions there are. But even the math questions, they're not gonna change the numbers, so I can just copy the numbers. If I get desperate at the end and I have to finish the assignment, then I'll just have to copy or have to write down the numbers of the answers, and then when it comes up again, I'll just type the number in. That was funny. Yeah, but I don't have a choice. I've waited till 9 p.m. That's the best I can do at this point. within a perpetual inventory system. Okay, perpetual inventory purchases. Oh my goodness, dude. No. Cost of goods sold. The cost of goods sold is recorded with each sale. I was correct. Hey, look, I'm not completely stupid. I'm not, like, which of the following costs should not be charged against revenue in a period in which costs are incurred? Which of the following costs should not be charged against period? I don't know. The answer was this. Okay. The should not be charged. Costs which will not benefit any future period. Okay. Costs. But the one that shouldn't be is cost of normal shrinkage and scrap incurred for the manufacturing of a product and ending inventory should not be charged against revenue in the period in which costs are incurred because they are not period costs. Ugh. Right. That was funny. Wow. Goods in transit, which are shipped. Shipping points, they should be included. I forgot what FOB stands for. Crap. Which of the following methods of inventory evaluation? Requires that the pricing of issues. What does that even mean? Oh, must be deferred until the end of the accounting period. I don't freaking know. The company includes the beginning inventory, both in total units available and total cost of goods. The pricing issues for inventory are deferred until the end of the period where they are taken into account. What? How did I advance? Did I just advance a certain amount from answering an incorrect question? Life flow, cost flow assumptions? Or, yeah. Look at that, dude. Like, what? Maybe instead of reading the chapter, I could have just looked at this video instead. Nah. 16 minutes.
Many companies use MIFO for tax and external reporting purposes. However, they maintain a FIFO average cost or standard cost system for internal reporting purposes. There are several reasons for this. One, companies often
Niner Industries. Oh no, math. Yeah, but there's barely anything involved in this question. I should be able to easily do it. It's funny how my graphing calculator died. Well, it didn't die, but it's just become so incredibly terrible that I can't use it anymore. It would just be too inconvenient to use it because it has trouble turning on, and then even if it turns on, it'll sometimes, if I just put it on the table a tiny bit too hard, it will turn off and erase all of my work. So, anyways, I have switched to using a graphing calculator on my phone for everything. And the reason I use the graphing calculator is because it has the most random thing ever, which is, well, first of all, it actually saves all your work, and second of all, it has fractions. Like, are there any calculators that are a little bit less complicated that have fractions? You would think there would be. I just want basic math that also has fractions. Like, come on. Come on. Come on. Can just calculators have that normally? I do that all the time. Fractions are so common. Okay, what am I doing? Using LIFO, the unit cost of steel. Wait a minute. Do they literally just want you to multiply the two numbers? Like, what? What is this question? There's no way they want you to just multiply the numbers. Are you kidding me? Why? Dude, what? What is this? That is not going to be on the test. That is like the most simple thing on earth. That's not what we have to do. I don't even remember. Well, it actually did say physical flow was an advantage, but it's not for most companies. Oh my god, how am I 80% done? Yay, let's read the whole chapter. Yes, I quote-unquote read the chapter already. Thanks a lot. The impact on the current ratio of including goods in transit, but not ending inventory. Oh my gosh. Oh. There you go. Of including goods on transit. Goods at transit. of purchases, but not ending inventory. It will say they have, if it's not included in current inventory, it will, I mean, you have to assume that they purchased it on account to even answer this question. Wait, no, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. No, you have to literally look at the fraction of current asset and current liability. And they don't even tell you whether it's... Wait. Oh, come on, how are you supposed to answer that? Why would they even ask this question if it didn't have an effect, or if you couldn't tell what the effect was? That is so annoying. I'm going to guess completely randomly what the answer is. The actual answer is it will be understated. Okay. It will be understated because current assets are understated due to. Oh, I'm stupid. Yeah, that is so obvious, dude. If I had thought about that for 2 seconds, I would have realized. Since they don't include it in their inventories, that means their assets are understated, and the asset and liability ratio, if you have the numerator lower, that means the whole fraction is lower. Oh my gosh. Wait, what? If a company misstates... Dude, I think I gained 3%. I didn't look at the fraction change when I answered the question, but... Oh, dang it. I thought it was at 80%. Okay, if a company misstates ending inventory... I don't know. I didn't read that closely enough. Misstates. I have no idea. I have no idea the answer to that question. This is so pathetic. This is so pathetic. The balance sheet, the inventory, and retained earnings. So literally everything will be wrong. Everything will be messed up, according to this. The correct answer is what? There will be a miscalculation of the working capital and current ratio. Omission of goods from purchases. I lost 2% from answering it wrong. Okay. Omissions of goods from purchases on account. What does that even mean? These are the effective inventory errors, which I basically didn't read, so this is good. This is good. So you have purchased goods, but you didn't record it or something. So that means your yeah, but when you purchase on account, then your current assets increases and your current liabilities also increases. So what the heck is going on? here. Oh. That was fun. Wait. Yeah, but when you purchase a good on account, that means your current assets goes up. No, it doesn't. Yeah, it does, because your current asset and your current liability goes up. So what the heck is this? Oh. Well, that's exactly what happens. Well, yeah, but an increase of the numerator and the denominator, if you add an equal amount to both the numerator and the denominator, the numerator, it will not be equal, because I hate myself. Let's say you have 1 over 1, then you add a 1 on the top and a 1 on the bottom. You end up with a 2 over 2. What? What if you have a 2 over 1, and then you add a... That's a 2, and then you add a 1, and then you get 3 over 2. 3 over 2 is not as big as 2 over 1. The fraction gets smaller. The more you add, the overall number will. So that means that you should have made it smaller, but you haven't. So therefore, it's overstated. Logic. Show the following items should be included in the company's inventory. This has got to be it, right? Well, we'll be fine, I guess. Just I won't be fine conceptually in terms of actually learning material. I'll just be fine in terms of doing the assignment. No, usually what I do is I get to class like 15 minutes early, and then I kind of read over the section that we're going to be working on in class. So, funny. 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 That was funny. Corporation. You think? And then working on the assignments also helps. Important. Accepted delivery. Isn't this like the same type of question as before? What would not be affected? What would all be affected by this? Logic, everybody. So what they should have done when they bought it was they should have increased their assets. They should have increased their assets and increased their liabilities. And it doesn't affect stockholders' equity, right? It wouldn't be affected. Dude, you barely have to do anything to get through that assignment. That's the easiest assignment ever. Okay, I'm gonna check something for no particular reason, although there is a particular reason. That was funny. It only took me 24 minutes to do the assignment. Okay. Even though I barely comprehended what I read in the chapter, I was still able to do it in 25 minutes. Like, most of those questions I just answered without, using anything at all that I read in the textbook. Not a single thing. You can redo it if you want. How long this took? That one took 20 seconds. Okay, 4 minutes, 9, about 10, and then 16, and then, so like 27, like if we go all the way up to the highest, 30! No, it took less than 30 minutes. It took like 27. Hate myself. It took 25 minutes. I can't do math. It took 26 minutes. It took 26 minutes to do chapter 7. It took me like 20 minutes. Okay, chapter 7 was 26 minutes. 26 compared to chapter 8. Chapter 8 only took Chapter 8 only took 18 minutes? Wait, I thought I started at like exactly 9. I guess I didn't. It took me only 18 minutes to do chapter 8. Okay. How did this one take the longest? It's because I got stuff wrong, because I basically did not read that section at all. So that's probably why it took so long to do that section.